Hello children, in this video today we will learn that how we can delete a column from a data frame. There are three ways through that we can delete column from a data frame. The first one using del keyword, this is the del keyword. Second one is using pop method. Fourth one is by using drop method. So let's see, practically we will learn one by one. The first one is del keyword, by using del keyword. So I have a one data frame, this is a new df, so you can see here this is new df. Now suppose I want to delete the column Bina. So how we can delete? So by using del keyword we can, so simply use this del, provide a space, new df is the object of data frame, and in big bracket as a string pass the column name. So Bina column I want to delete. Now listen once again how we can use this delete keyword. Delete, then the object of data frame. So I have a data frame new df, and what column you want to delete from this data frame. Write the name of this column in double quote, or you can say as a string, and then simply press enter. Now see how. Now I'm going to see that this column has been deleted from this data frame or not. So simply just use this new df. So now you can see here Bina column was there, but here Bina column has been deleted from this data frame new df. So this first method is okay. Now I'm going to discuss the second method. Second method is, what is this? Using the pop method. So let's see practically. So how we can use this pop method. So pop method के लिए आप सभी को पता है कि कोई भी मेथड कॉल करते हैं तो ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ डेटा फ्रेम डॉट pop function, and here just pass the column name which you want to delete. So I want to delete Pankaj, or I want to delete Ram. So write there Ram and press enter. Now एक चीज़ थोड़ा क्लियर करना चाह रहे हैं कि देखिए डेल जब हम लोग कर रहे थे तो सिंपली जब बिना कॉलम को डिलीट किए तो वह डिलीट हो गया, बट हमें पता नहीं चला डिलीट हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, एरर नहीं आया तो हम समझ गए कि ये डिलीट हो गया, और उसके बाद फिर हमें चेक करना पड़ा. बट व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग पॉप मेथड, what column I'm going to delete? Ram column. Now you can see here what column you are deleting. Just after executing this line, deleted column will be listed here, deleted column items will be here. In del keyword it was not there. So I think this concept is clear to everyone. Now the next method that I'm going to use, what method I'm going to use? Drop method. So this is the drop method. So new df dot drop, and drop method में आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, जो कॉलम आपको डिलीट करना है, तो कॉलम हमें डिलीट करना है, पंकज नाम का कॉलम डिलीट करना है, पास देयर पंकज, एंड हियर यू नीड टू पास द एक्सिस कीवर्ड ये यूज करते हैं, एक्सिस इक्वल टू 1. Now see the result. So drop में एक कीवर्ड यूज करते हैं एक्सिस, बिकॉज आप सभी को पता है 0 एक्सिस इज फॉर द रो एंड 1 एक्सिस फॉर द कॉलम. सो आई एम डिलीटिंग व्हाट? कॉलम from the data frame. So that's why I have used this axis 1. When? Because drop functions we had already learned in what? रो को डिलीट करने के लिए हम लोग ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. सो हियर यू नीड टू स्पेसिफाई कॉलम. सो 1 is indicating what the thing you want to read, that column you want to read. Now the main thing is that 3 ways I had discussed. One is del keyword to delete column from data frame, another is pop method for deleting column in the data frame, and the next one is drop method. So in delete, when we are using delete keyword, remember delete is not the method, delete is keyword. By using delete keyword, whatever column you want to delete you can delete, but that will not display. After deleting that column it will not display. But in the pop method, when we are just using pop method to delete a column, so deleted column will be displayed here just after executing this line. But here In drop method, deleted column will not displayed. Remember, see here, when we use this drop Pankaj, so just move Pankaj, so Pankaj column वो delete हो गया है फ्रॉम डेटा फ्रेम न्यू DF, सो उसको छोड़कर बाकी सारे कॉलम डिस्प्ले करेंगे. So when a question will come, what is the difference between pop and drop method while deleting the column? So you can explain, you can write there what कि when we are using pop method, so deleted column will be displayed. After deleting that column, it will displayed only deleting column. But in drop, all the columns will be displayed, only deleted column will be not displayed. So this is a very important questions you must know, and the same example you can write in the examination copy. And if you write the example like this, when a question will come, just differentiate between pop and drop method while deleting the column. So you can write in such a way. If you will give the example, so you will get a full marks. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Once again, I am going to repeat what the things I have discussed in this video. I have discussed here how we can read a column from data frame. The first method is using del keyword. Second method is using the pop method. Third method is using the drop method. And practically we have learned. Practically we have seen. So once again, I am going to show the first one. This is del keyword for deleting a column. Next one is pop method for deleting a column, and the last one is drop method. One question I think people can ask: in drop function, the column which we are deleting, we are passing here, and axis. Why I have written axis 1? Because we have already done that how we can delete a row. So in that we had written axis equal to 0. So 0 indicates row and 1 indicates column. So here I am deleting column, so that's why axis equal to 1. I hope this is clear to everyone. If you have any query, any doubt, any question, you can write in a chat box and I will try to sort out your problem. So thank you for watching this video.